Hello traders. In this video, we're exploring the market making trading strategy. This is an educational look at how some traders interpret market maker activity and use those concepts in their chart analysis. When studying market maker concepts, traders often look for phases on the charts such as accumulation, where price consolidates in a range followed by manipulation, where price briefly breaks out to trigger stops, and then distribution, where the main move occurs. These phases are interpreted after the fact and are used as a framework for understanding how price may move around key levels. Traders studying this approach often use support and resistance levels, volume analysis, and session timing to identify potential market maker activity. Now, who's this strategy for? This strategy is suited for traders interested in understanding how institutional activity may influence price action. Keep in mind that this is an analytical framework only and does not guarantee any specific outcome. Market maker activity is not directly observable by retail traders, so interpretations are inherently subjective. Always use proper risk management and additional confirmation. If you'd like to learn more about this trading strategy, I've included a link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.